What if the next great global rivalry isn't fought on the battlefield, but in the bank vaults and blockchain networks?
For centuries, power was measured in gold.
Today, it may be measured in data and digital trust.
China, a land once called the Empire of Gold and Silk.
America, the nation that built the dollar into the world's most trusted currency.
But now, a quiet financial war is beginning, one side stacking real gold, the other building digital money.
So, who will win the future of money? For most of human history, power meant possession. Whoever had the gold ruled the game. China remembers that time.
Its emperors once traded silk for silver and gold, while America was still only a dream. But fast forward to today and the tables have turned. The US dollar became the global king.
Every country, every trader, every bank trusted it.
That trust made America powerful, not just militarily, but financially.
China watched and learned. It saw how America used its currency like a weapon, controlling trade, sanctions, and influence. Now, China wants a system where it doesn't have to play by America's rules. Today, China holds more gold than almost any other nation. Tons upon tons of shining metal sit in deep underground vaults. To China, gold means independence. It's solid. It's ancient.
No one can freeze your gold through sanctions. When you own gold, you own real, physical power.
It's like holding history in your hands, unchanged by politics, immune to code.
But there's a catch.
Gold doesn't move fast. It's heavy, expensive to store, and hard to trade across borders.
In the age of AI and digital money, it's like using a sword in a world of drones. Still, China believes in gold because it remembers how digital systems can be controlled and who built them. On the other side of the Pacific, America is betting on something else, not gold, but code.
Stablecoins, blockchain, and digital dollars, these are the new weapons in America's financial arsenal.
A stablecoin is like a digital version of a dollar. It doesn't shine like gold, but it travels at the speed of light. Imagine sending $1 million in seconds, across the world, without banks, without delay.
That's the dream of blockchain finance.
And America, with Silicon Valley, Wall Street, and AI, is pushing to make it real. Laws like the US Genius Act are being designed to prepare for this transformation where the digital dollar could become as trusted as paper once was.
But every revolution comes with risk. Digital money means digital control. And whoever builds the system, builds the rules.
At the heart of this new financial war is one word: trust. Gold asks for no trust. You can touch it, weigh it, see it. Digital money, on the other hand, demands belief that code will never fail, that servers won't be hacked, and that governments won't abuse their power.
China doesn't fully trust that.
It prefers to hold real gold, something the world can't turn off.
America, however, trusts its innovation. It believes that digital trust, through transparency and blockchain, is the future.
The old empire of metal versus the new empire of code.
Gold versus blockchain. Certainty versus speed. But behind the scenes, another kind of war is unfolding, the war for data.
In the digital world, whoever controls data controls everything: the flow of money, the markets, even the emotions of nations.
China's system is built on control, a closed loop of financial surveillance and centralized currency. Its digital yuan isn't about freedom, it's about power and precision. America's approach is more open, allowing private innovation through companies like Circle and Coinbase. But even that raises questions. Who protects users when everything becomes digital? What happens when trust depends on algorithms, not banks?
Both sides are building, not just economies, but new systems of control and belief.
Now imagine this: a global crisis hits. Currencies crash, markets panic, gold prices soar. What's safe anymore?
China points to its vaults of gold. Look, we have something real.
America points to its blockchain. Look, we have something transparent.
Each system has strength and weakness. Gold is like a castle, strong, protective, but heavy. Digital assets are like jet planes, fast, global, but vulnerable to storms. The future may not belong to one or the other, but to those who can build a bridge between them. As we move deeper into the 21st century, the financial battlefield is changing faster than ever. China wants to lead through gold and control. America wants to lead through innovation and trust in technology. What if digital currencies could be backed by real assets, like gold or commodities, combining the best of both worlds? A system that's fast, fair, and transparent, where technology strengthens, not replaces, human trust. So, who wins the future of money? Gold built the old world. Code is building the new one.